got a really, really good feeding response. A little bit more. This is the picture you need to get, so when he's full of food.
Look at you.
Anyway, when they were starting to pack him up last night.
Oh. Do you like the name Sam? Hi, baby.
He's cuter than my pigeon was at that age.
What is that noise you're making?
Aww.
You think he's cuter? They look like little aliens. Aww. It's like, Mommy, bring me some food.
Do you have to come here at night and feed him?
I take him home.
Oh, you take him home?
Take everybody home.
It's like he's laughing.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to sit over here to eat.
Are you just talking to me? Are you just talking to me?
Look at his
He's just like a little piglet.
Look at that. He's even double in size.
I like you too.
Does he look like a Sam? Sammy?
Look.
Or no?
You can see him. I saw him earlier ago.
How sweet. So is this a good sign, or does this mean he's going to be noisy?
Don't know yet.
What? What, baby? What?
Aww.
You want this?
Look, pretty bird. She's making lunch. Look at that. Look.
Would you like some lunch?
Opens his mouth.
He still does that holler thing every once in a while.
Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna have to move
Okay.
him over.
All right.
Okay, babies.
Lunchtime. Oh, look at him. Oh, he is lively now.
You know what that is?
Oh, yeah. Yum. There he goes. Oh, sweet.
He eats a little bit more than he did, too.
Got more room. Getting bigger.
That's all we need. Look at all these pretty, pretty feathers.
That full belly. Oh.
Oh, what? That's all we need, honey. Yes, but I think I need more than that. I haven't caught something else to feed.
Oh, you gotta get him that big spoon.
Yeah, I do 40 cc's at a time because I can get my thumb over it.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, we're going to go back.
Bye, baby.